Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you about algebraic fraction. Okay, it is as simple as let's say we are going to plus this. Okay, 1 over 3 plus with 1 over 8. So the first step is we have to make this denominator the same. Am I right? So here we are going to multiply with 8 up and down. This is the concept. Okay, and here we are going to multiply with 3 up and down. So we'll be getting there 24, and here will be 8 plus with 3, right? So this is the concept we are going to use in an algebraic fraction. So let me erase this. Okay, now let's say the same thing, 3 over a we plus with 4 over b. So we have to make the denominator the same. So what we're going to do here is we are going to multiply here with b, multiply the numerator with b, and here with a, and multiply with a. So you'll be getting here ab, and here will be 3b plus with 4a. So this is how you solve a fraction involving algebra. Okay, so this is the first example. Now the second example here, let's say I make it a bit more complicated, where you have a square, x and y square, and here we have let's say I just put that 2x, and here's 1 1. So we are going to solve. Here we don't have the 2, right? So we are going to multiply with 2 up and down. So at this side we are going to multiply with y square at both sides, up and down. So here we'll be having 2x plus with y square. Okay, and here the denominator, here you'll be having 2xy square. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let us do a more complicated question, and this is the question here we're having. Okay, so here we're having a y square, and here's xyz. So how to make it the same? We have to multiply this side with y, alright, and this side we have to multiply with xz to make it the same. So here we'll be having x y square z. So here at this term 5ay we plus with the 8xz. So this is your answer here. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Now next we are going to multiply. Okay, now we have a over d, and we multiply with e over z, x. Okay, so e over x. So the concept is how to multiply here is similar with numbers. Now how do you multiply 3 over 5 with let's say 6 over 7? So here we are going to multiply 3 and 6. We'll be getting the 18 over 5 times with 7. We'll be getting the 35, right? So the same concept will be applied over here, where a multiply with e and d multiply with x. So you'll be getting your answer here, ae over dx. It's just simple as that. Now, okay, now we are going to multiply this. Okay, so we'll be having here 3 times with 5, we'll be getting the 15, and x is square here. So x square multiply with x, we'll be getting the x to the power of 3. Y is square, because here we have 1 and 1. Okay, now we look at the denominator. Alright, so here we have e, and z is square. Here's 1, here's 1. Alright, it's not that hard. Okay, I hope you can understand this. Next we are going to division. Okay, now we have a over e divided with a c over x. So now we have to look at this part. Alright, so we just have to multiply this, change it to multiply. So at the first one it remains the same. Once you change to multiply, it will become x over c. This one will be inverted. Alright, this one will be inverted. So, and you can multiply as usual, where the x will multiply with a and e will multiply with the c. So you got your answer ax over ce. Okay, so now we are going to move to a few questions. Okay, this is the question of we have to simplify. Okay, so we have to change the divide to multiply. Then we copy this question. So when we are changing to multiply, make sure the down goes up. We just have to invert this. And then here's 35ab square. Okay, so here we can see, okay, this part. Okay, now the 5 can be divided with 35. So 5 divided by 5, you got 1. 35 divided with 5, you got that 7. Okay, so a will be cancelled off with the here, it will be divided, and the b will cancel off with this. So 2 minus 1, you'll be getting there 1. Okay, now we look at the x. Here's x square. Here is x power of 3. So 3 minus 2, here will be cancelled off. You'll be getting 1. And I think that's it. So here we have c square. And here we have 1x. And here we have a z power of 7. Okay, we look at the denominator, we have 7 here. And here we have b and y to the power of 3. So this is your answer here. Okay, so we managed to simplify this. Right. That's all for this video, and please go through algebraic formula, which is the part 4, to complete your revision, and you can find the link below this video. Alright, so please subscribe to get more update, and thank you for watching.